Alright, here we are, day 6, everybody. We are at low tide, and we have been using the pole saw. And we're going to try to get you out here for the first time and show you everything. The floodwaters came in and moved my bridge all over the place. This is the floodway area here, and it's why it's the wettest. Now as we get through here, we're at the edge of that. We come up on some more solid ground. We have been working. Here's the sun. See if I can turn that to the through here. And so we have trimmed and cut and moved enough stuff around that now, when it is low tide, we are able to bring you back to the water. Alright, it's day 7. We are here at the water. We did do some clearing in 6. We'll show you. We got a little bit of space in here to breathe now. We did that while with the pole saw and stuff, and now we're coming in with the brush cutter. And then we'll need to come back in with the pole saw, etc. and back and forth. Glad to have you here with us. This is day 7, and we'll show you what we completed once we've done some work out here. Alright, a quick survey before we go. I did a good bit of brush cutting. Get some in here too, but gonna have to, I get blocked if I need the pole saw and I can't go any further. And so the pathway is that way, through there. I should have stood there. I guess I could walk over. Whoop, getting slushy. There's the pathway out of here, which I'm going to do a little work on the way out. But we did all of this brush cutting in here. Have a significantly better view, as you can tell. More work to do, obviously. Haven't been that way at all, and we have plenty of room that way. Come back to y'all at the end. Alright, day 7. There's the hill up there, the walkway that corduroy road that I got to fix and stretch out because the flood did it. We're going to give you a walk back to the back, day 7. As you can see, we see the water back much further now. Right there. Done some brush cutting in here. Cleared the area some. We are at the water. Cleared this area out in here now some. Got a lot better view here. A lot more to do here. And a lot more real estate that way. We want to thank you for watching what I think is days 5, 6, and 7. We're at the end of the pathway for day 7. We have a clear and present pathway. I'm not sure you can actually see the water from there or not. I'm going to take a picture and try later and see. But anyway, if you're not already a subscriber, we want to encourage you to subscribe, click the bell icon, and share this with your other friends you think that might enjoy it. We appreciate you watching and following along on this journey with us. We have a clear and present pathway to the water, and we're pretty happy about that. And now we're just going to keep fine-tuning and refining and taking out things that don't need to be there, stumps, all kind of stuff. We got all kind of work to do. Thank you for joining us.